Hey everybody, I'm Lindsey Olson, Zambia brand ambassador, and I'm going to take you through how I created this updo on a natural texture. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks, how to secure it, how to make the curls refresh, and how to make sure it's going to last all day for your guests.
Refreshing the curls with Redken's One United and a diffuser on low heat as well as low airflow. This is going to give just an added pop to the natural texture and refresh. I do this generously to the entire head. Now I'm doing a root stretch to elongate the shape. So still low air and low heat, and just pulling a little tension at the base and just stretching out that base to give you some more length. Using Redken's Instant Deflate by Effortlessly and gliding over the ends. This is gonna give me more moisture and control over the hair before I start doing the style. Zambia dry sectioning clips are always a must because they're gonna keep the hair really comfortable in place. Now what we're gonna do is I am stacking the ponytails. So I'm using a mini elastic on the inside and working my way to the outside. So in one ponytail, I'll ultimately have 3. Working from the inside out gives me the most control as well as comfort for the guests. So on the inside, I use mini elastics, and on the outside, I'm using elastic cord here. And this is a technique called the butcher's knot ponytail. I absolutely love this because it gives you so much control as well as comfort for the guests, and they can take it out without having to cut it out. It just locks it right into place. So now we're on that middle ponytail. Again, the mini elastics on the inside. Each section, as I'm doing this, I'm also reapplying that Instant Deflate by Redken just to gain more control and softness to the sections as I go. So working from the inside to the outside, this middle section, I think I ended up having like 4 ponytails. So mini elastics first, taking a mini boar bristle brush to really smooth out that side. And then again, coming in with that elastic cord and those butcher's knot ponytails. Though this is really easy for you to do. You wrap it around your hand a few times till you have enough control. Then it's like you're tying in a knot. You tie it twice, slide it down, and I cross it, and it locks right into place. It's not going anywhere until the guest wants to take it out, and all you have to do is just slide it out and it pops right out without having to cut it out of your hair. So now we have 2 ponytails. Checking the shape to see how we like the height. Now I'm gonna look at the front. I wanna add a little bit more detail, so I'm just taking a small section with 1 mini elastic to break it apart, to give it some more detail to that very front, elongating and stretching out some curls to see where I like them. I love using big hairpins because they help me have so much control over the hair as well as having hair still left to work with. So a few large hairpins in the back here just to detail and separate more of the curls for the shape. In the front, I'm going to come in again with a hairpin and just lock down this front section so I have a little bit more of an asymmetrical fringe. I'm just separating the curls. I always am applying that Effortlessly Instant Deflate oil on my hands before I am pulling out any of the curls for detail and just giving it some more finishing touches on the shape. All I have to do now is take that mini boar bristle brush and slide the sides up. This actually brings all of those ponytails completely together. So for a really sleek finish, now you don't see any of the ponytail separations. It looks like it's all together in one, but in reality, we have like 9 ponytails on the inside. Super comfortable. I have always been a fan of accessorizing a look. So a few assorted accessories here on the side elevate the look and really give it a new finish. So I've used a mix of them here, a couple small ones, a shape, and even a large one, just to create a different type of aesthetic for the look. This is the complete look. I think she looks beautiful, and this is something that could be for the weekend, a wedding, or a special event. I cannot wait to see you try this. Definitely follow along, tag us, and always subscribe to Zambia YouTube.